So at the top of the screen, we're going to LUHSD bookmarks and down to STEMscopes login. And then it'll log you into STEMscopes. It's usually for your science classes, but up here at the top, click on coding. And we're going to code food fight. So click on code food fight. And here we go. So it says type this. So right next to this number 1, this is the first line of code. We're typing fill, parentheses, apostrophe, red, apostrophe, close the parentheses. Oh look, it filled the app in with red. Now it says change the red to your favorite color. So instead of red, let's do tan. Fill it. Oh look, it's now a tan color. Now we're going to add a stamp. So P equals stamp, parentheses, apostrophe, pie, apostrophe, close parentheses. Hit play. Hey look, we made a piece of pie up here. Now it says type p.tap explode. That means that when you tap whatever p, we called p stamp, that's a variable. We made the variable p equals stamp. Whenever you tap stamp, it's going to explode. So if I click on the pie, whoosh, it explodes. By the way, notice as I'm moving them out around the borders here, they're little X and Y axis. That's just going to help you with some spatial reasonings later, but more about that. Click the play button again. Again, click the pie and whoosh, it explodes. Now it says instead of having pie, let's change it to cupcake. So I'm changing the word pie to cupcake. Make sure you don't delete those apostrophes on accident. So I hit the play button and whoosh, it explodes. I like cupcakes, but I don't like broccoli. Let me blow up some broccoli. I hit the play button, whoosh, it explodes. If I don't want to just stick with cupcake, pizza, banana, and broccoli, it says in the icon library, right up here at the top, the 2 little rectangles, those are the assets I can see. There's lots of different assets. I just want to find some food, so I'm going to search for food. And, ooh, burger 3, that looks good. So if I click on it, it'll tell me that's exactly what I would need to type if I want that. It's burger 3. Okay, so I'm going to close this right next to commands here. I'm going to close that pop-up, and I'm going to change that to burger 3. Play. Click on it, and it again explodes. Now, something interesting. This app here has a picture of a burger, but up here at the top, the original icon is a piece of pie on a plate on a table. Can we change that? Sure, let's find out. So I'm going to click on it. And let's hit play, and that's what it looks like. What happens if I delete this? I'm going to delete that one that says icon reflection. I hit play. It didn't seem like it did much. Now this was a picture of a burger, so I'm going to change this from pie to burger and hit play. Hey, it's not the same burger as that one. Oh, that's right. That one was burger 3. I hit play. I wonder what this 90 does. Change that 90 to like a 50. Hit play and see what happens. It's just changing the size of the burger. Let's change it back and go with 100 this time. Again, it's just changing the size of a burger. I think it should stay on a plate. Stamp tablecloth. I'm going to cut that temporarily and see what it looks like. But if I want it back, I can paste it back. So if you like it on there, great. If you don't have to keep it. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of it. Do you remember what we used to make this beige color? That was fill and tan. And I'm going to hit play. And now it looks just like that. I'm going to hit save icon. And instead of leaving this called food fight, I'm going to call it something else. Burger blow up works great. Or anything else that makes sense to you. So again, one more time, I've got an icon here that matches the image. I renamed it. I've got this stamp. I hit play. I click, it explodes. Yeah, there was something different up here. It had a plate. I wonder what that does. I'm going to copy that. Control-C copy. And I'm going to add it here and see what happens. Notice that the plate's on top of the burger. That looks kind of tacky. How did I get it behind the burger? Put it above it? I don't see it. Oh, that's because it's bigger than the burger. Let's try 200 and see if that makes it show up. Nope. 500? Let's see if that makes it show up. Ooh, wow, it's getting a little better. There we go. So let's play it in one more time. But the plate's still there. So whatever this P tap did, because we said that's P is stamped, whatever we did to that, it only happens to the burger. For now, I think we're good. Let's go ahead and share it with the class. At the top of the screen where it says click here to share your app, click. Get a link to this app, so we're going to copy that. Copy link and paste it in Google Classroom. If you want to make sure it works, you could always add a new tab. Paste it, run it, and make sure it works. So if people hit this play button, it works.